blast furnace is an iron-making equipment smelting raw or into pig blocks or molten iron, which are the first steps in steel processing. It is constantly under hazardous conditions such as heat, gas, and dust. In order to guarantee the continuing effectiveness of blast furnace, on-site operators adopted a 4-shifts 2-teams inspection routine, using human sensory to check for potential failures, making experienced guesses, and record them on paper forms. Applying our wheeled robot, the on-site daily inspection could be completely unmanned, thus realizing a smart remote monitoring of Tuyere-Level area of the number 3 blast furnace in Citicsteel Xingcheng plant. Plant O&M staff could utilize remote inspection system to generate statistics, analysis and insights on the collected data. When an anomaly occurs, our smart system will immediately issue an early warning to prevent dire consequences. Our smart inspector thoroughly monitors high temperature area on the Tuyere-Level, eliminating blind spots from manual check, providing AI-driven insights to increase production stability and efficiency. It also substantially relocates manpower from on-site hazardous environment to remote control room, guaranteeing personnel safety.